Welcome to enosix Arnold demo. Today I'll show you how business users can access live SAP data without leaving Slack. Unlike generic AI assistants, Arnold securely connects AI to your existing SAP environment, preserving your business rules, security, and governance. Let's see how a sales representative can answer customer questions in seconds, all from a natural conversation. I'll start by adding Arnold to Slack using dynamic client registration. In just a few clicks, it's connected and ready, allowing the Slack bot to securely access SAP through Arnold's enterprise capabilities. Our sales team has already been discussing Omega's Blaze product orders in this channel. Instead of retyping customer names, products, or dates, I simply ask Arnold-powered Slackbot to find the sales orders from the channel. Using the context from the conversation, the Slackbot determines which Arnold MCP tools to call. It first verifies the customer in SAP, then retrieves the matching sales orders for the product and timeframe discussed. The results include key business details such as pricing, quantities, and order status, giving the sales team immediate visibility without ever leaving Slack. Next, I ask to see the related documents. The AI selects Arnold's document flow capability to retrieve the associated delivery and invoice from SAP, along with their current processing status. If supporting documentation is needed, Arnold can instantly provide downloadable PDF copies of the sales order, delivery, and invoice, making it easy to prepare for customer meetings or answer follow-up questions. Finally, since the customer is considering increasing their order, I ask Slackbot to check current inventory. Within seconds, it retrieves real-time product availability directly from SAP, helping the sales team respond with confidence. Everything happens in the natural flow of the conversation. There's no need to switch applications, search manually, or remember SAP transaction codes. What makes this different isn't that AI can answer questions, it's that every answer comes directly from SAP, using your existing business rules, security, and governance. Arnold brings enterprise SAP processes into the conversations your teams already have every day.